Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
As we look at the economic calendar for the days ahead, investors should be aware of several key data releases that could shape market sentiment. High-impact events are on the horizon, and understanding their potential influence will be crucial for positioning in global markets. As we monitor these key releases, traders should prepare for potential market volatility. Keeping an eye on these data points will help stay ahead of any significant moves in the days ahead.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Wall Street stocks slid in a sharp reversal from an early rally as technology gains faded after a boost from Nvidia's earnings and US jobs data muddied the labor market outlook. Shares of Nvidia ended lower after surging as much as 5%. Coinbase has launched Ether-backed loans for US users, allowing customers to borrow USDC against their ETH holdings without selling, in a new offering powered by Morpho and running on Base. The exchange said the product is available across most US states, except New York. The dollar firmed against most major currencies after losing some ground, as signs of faster US job growth in September suggest the Federal Reserve is likely to pause cutting interest rates in December.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The dollar-yen pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.2%. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted 5.7% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The gold-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market. The oil-dollar pair fell 0.8% in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.